In front of me is HUWAEI Matepad 10.4 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access device's settings. Now choose Bluetooth section here and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Following that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to wait for the pop-up. And in order to continue, select Pair in it. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can always do that by selecting this gear icon next to the device, tapping on Unpair, and now they are disconnected. If you wish to connect again, you need to click on it under available devices. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!